So today I'm going to go over 11 features that new Tesla owners will absolutely love, and I'm starting right now. Anytime that you have an appointment set on your phone, it will automatically send the address to the car. So therefore, if you no longer have to fiddle around trying to enter in the address, that if the address is on your calendar, it's already going to be inside of the car. So anytime that we get inside of the car, it is already saved in the car, ready to navigate me to my appointment. And another benefit of owning a Tesla is that you wake up with a full tank of electrons. Every morning that you wake up, you essentially have a full charge. All I'm going to do is unplug it and plug it right in on my way to the car in the morning. Then I just get inside of my car, and as you can see right here, I'm on 79%, which will get me 245 miles for the day, which is more than enough that I need for my daily commute. You're going to love Tesla's Autopilot. With Tesla's Autopilot, the car will keep itself centered in its lane and also adaptive cruise control. And if you have the FSD package, you have more features that's available to you. Now, some people out there will say, well, other cars have adaptive cruise control and keeping itself centered in its lane. I drove with other cars as well, and with Tesla, it's not the same. Tesla's Autopilot features take this to a whole different level. Another feature is regenerative braking, and you can control this right from your Autopilot menu, and we're just going to go down and set it to standard. So the thing is, I'm going to accelerate here, and as you can see, I'm accelerating, and as soon as I take my foot off of the accelerator, the car came to a complete stop. And again, I'm driving on the road, and once I take my foot off of the accelerator, the car will begin to slow down, channeling that energy right back to the battery, saving your brake pads as well. And the mobile app integration with your Tesla is like none other. The cool thing about your mobile app is that it controls almost every aspect of the car. So the first thing that you're going to love is phone key. See, as I approach the car is now unlocking, and you just get right inside of the car. And the cool thing is, it is ready to go. There's no key. I put my foot on the pedal, and as you can see, it is ready to go. I can put the car in drive, and I am driving. But not only that, you have so many more features that you can access right from your mobile app. Everything from the location of your car. You have climate control. You can even control the volume of the radio. You can precondition the battery. And even on your mobile app, you can schedule service and so much more. You're really going to love the mobile app integration that comes with your Tesla. And the cabin overheat protection is another useful feature, especially on those hot summer days, because with the cabin overheat protection features, it will keep your car at a comfortable temperature even whenever you're not inside of the car. So no more getting back into a scorching hot car anymore. You can set it at 90 degrees, 95 degrees, or even 100 degrees. So if the car reaches over 100 degrees or 95 degrees, the air condition will begin to run to keep the car not as hot, which is also great for all of the equipment inside of the car, especially with the screen. So many of us are already familiar with car alarms and dash cams. However, with your Tesla, it's taking your car alarm and dash cam to the next level. Because on your Tesla, not only do you have the 3 cameras that's up here in the dash, you also have fender cameras on both sides, and also a pillar camera, and of course the camera in the back. Not only is it recording dash cam footage, but also you have Sentry footage. And your Sentry footage is saved to a flash drive located inside of your glove box. So anything that happens from any angle is recording 360 at all times. And you think that's pretty sweet, but that's not all. Because here on your Tesla app, you also can view wherever you are in the world, what's happening around your car in real time. As you can see here on the screen, I am right now on this camera right here, but you can see inside of the car. And not only that, it even gets better. If you see people that's hanging around your car, you don't want them around your car, you can talk right through the app. And Tesla's infotainment system is something else. You have radio stations from all over, AM and FM. You have news and talk shows. You have different podcasts if you want to just listen to podcasts, if that's you. You have different types of music if you're into sports. Not only that, you have Apple Podcasts, karaoke, and also you have access to Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, YouTube, Twitch. So that's really just a tip of the iceberg, but you have so many things like TuneIn, Apple Podcasts. You have like so much that's at your disposal, and you're absolutely going to love it. And this is another great feature. You know, whenever you're at home and you can say, hey, Alexa, turn on the lights, and your light turn on. How about this? Your Tesla actually comes with voice command as well. You can tell the car to do multiple things inside of your car, and the car will respond. This works with your windshield wipers. It can work with your radio, with your seat warmers, or even with your climate control. All we're going to do is come over here to the right scroll wheel. We're just going to press it and say, turn the temperature to 80 degrees. And you can see now the temperature did go up. It's in 81, but hey, it's in the ballpark. So there are so many more voice commands that you can have access to that will make your Tesla experience so much easier. And I tell you 18 voice commands that you need to know in the video right over there. Be sure you check it out. You don't want to miss that video. And check out the other video over there, all things related to your money and your Tesla. And I will see you in the next video.